Hi everyone or whoever is watching. Today, I'll talk about someone called Zora Gamer Raining Day Zora artist. She has done many bad things. She has apologized luckily but I don't know if she still does bad things because I'm not really her friend. Some examples of things she's done are tracing, sexualized her OC, cheated on her boyfriend, made a video with a song about her PE, sent someone death threats, sexualized a minor and more. For now, let's talk about her TikTok. I'll show you 2 of her videos and then talk about what I think of them. Okay, so first let's talk about the first video. So there were 3 girls, and one of them, the one that got kicked, was homophobic and racist, so Zora had a reason. But that didn't solve anything, so all she did was get into drama. Now, let's talk about the second video. She was with 2 other people, a girl with hair, which is one of her squad members, and the same girl that got kicked. Basically, the girl with white hair was saying that she was hurt and that being weak was bad. Then the red girl got back and was slamming her against the wall. Now, does that solve anything? Number. Zora also commented on the white hair girl. Here are the comments. TW. Death threats. When I read those comments, I felt very uncomfortable. I reported Zora for sending death threats. Zora also cheated on her boyfriend. Here are pictures of it. She also sexualized a minor the second time she cheated. Zora also made sexualized content. She deleted the video already, but I have a picture.